Tired of manually picking which videos to post on certain platforms? Want a magical way to only post the content that you choose without lifting a finger? What if I told you a single hashtag could be your new best friend for content management? Stick around, because today I'm going to be showing you how to make hashtags do all the hard work for you at Repurpose.io. So obviously Repurpose.io is an amazing platform that automates the process of republishing your content or repurposing it across multiple platforms. So let's say that you do a TikTok video, you can shoot it automatically over to Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and much more. Now, a lot of us, we have a lot of our workflows, for example, like this one, TikTok to Snapchat, we have it on automatic, or TikTok to Pinterest, we have it on automatic. But a common issue that some people run into is that every once in a while, there's a personalized video that, let's say, is just for my TikTok audience that I do not want to be published to, let's say, Snapchat or Pinterest. So like if I'm talking to my audience, say, hey, if you follow me here on TikTok, let me know what interests you have. Obviously that video, if I created that, would not be great for Snapchat, Facebook, Pinterest, whatever. So today I want to show you a simple and effective solution by using hashtags with Repurpose.io to set up workflows that automate your selective posting. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use hashtags to control which videos get automatically posted, freeing up your time for more creative work. But before we go more into detail, I briefly want to describe to you what a workflow on Repurpose really is. A workflow on Repurpose.io is like a set of instructions that tells the system what to do with your videos automatically. So I'm going to be assuming that you already have your workflow done within Repurpose.io. So if you want to go and find where you can dedicate the hashtags to whether you want it to be published or not, you just go to this little cog on the right side of your workflow. When you click this cog, you'll have a bunch of options coming up. So some of them are, when do you want to auto-publish your content? This one is based on my publishing schedule. Do you want to also schedule existing content? Yes, and then it's the date. But when we get to these check marks down here, this is where it's really important. There's two of them that you can really work with here. You can select this and say exclude videos that contain specific hashtags. And so going back to my example, right? Let's say that I only wanted some videos to only go to TikTok only, like not get repurposed. Like if I have a specific message for TikTok creators and not on Pinterest, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever. You might want to make an click on this. For example, I could put in hashtag TikTok creator, and you just click on that. So now, whenever I post a video on TikTok, if I do not want it to go to Snapchat for this workflow, I can literally just put TikTok creator, hashtag TikTok creator, and then it's there. You want to make sure that it is there. I forgot to press enter. That's why it didn't show up. So you can do multiple ones, right? Like if it's only niche specific, you can put like music. And then now this video, if I put in music, will not go to the rest of my platforms if I do not want it to. So you can definitely customize it. And if you don't want to worry at all about being stealthy at all, you can literally just do like hashtag no auto post. Now, if you don't want to exclude things, you can also just do only import videos that contain specific hashtags like I just mentioned. So you click on this and you do hashtag auto post and click on that. So now only videos where I put hashtag auto post will this workflow go to. If it does not have this hashtag on it, it will not go through the workflow. So that's why, it's really cool with hashtags that you can literally personalize what videos are going where, but you need to set this up correctly within the workflows themselves. So I'm just gonna take that off because for me, I don't really care what videos go where. But the one example that I did think about today, right? If I have TikTok to LinkedIn, LinkedIn is a professional platform, right? Sometimes TikTok videos are like a little bit more informal. And so like that's where if I put on auto, I do able and auto publish. Maybe I want to go to the settings again, but I only want to do import videos that contain hashtag LinkedIn, right? So that way I know that, hey, this video, like for example, this AI video that I have right here, where it shows like superheroes when they're older through an AI prompt, that's probably not the best video for LinkedIn, right? So I probably would not put hashtag LinkedIn on there. And so I would save that. So like right now that I saved that, no video will go from TikTok to LinkedIn unless I put hashtag LinkedIn on there. So that's the power of using hashtags within our workflows. We can completely control which videos are going where. So last tip though, before we end this video, I do want to say that if you start messing with this a little bit, you only import videos that contain specific hashtags. If you click on this and you have a hashtag in there, like, I don't know, makeup or something, this workflow will not post these videos onto the other platform unless you have that on there. So if you're like, hey, where did all my videos go? If you have this on there, then that's why, because you don't have that hashtag. And so you told our workflows that, hey, I don't want this video going out unless this hashtag is there. So be a little bit wary of that, and know that if you do use this specific hashtag to only import videos, that sometimes your workflows might not send the video that you intended to. So you have to keep in mind, if you set this up, you need to be able to remember that to use it in the future. Within the settings, there's also a lot of other cool things that you can do, like set up intros and outros. And you can check out that in this video right here. If not, like and subscribe this video. Always willing to help you learn more about Repurpose.io. We'll see you guys in the next video.